At Thermo Fisher Scientific, our mission is to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer, and you can help make that happen. As a warehouse colleague, you'll have the opportunity to deliver a variety of products, from life-saving personal protective equipment to microscopes for high school biology classrooms. Our warehouses have many different career opportunities, including roles in receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. As a receiver, you'll make note of items that arrive from our distribution centers, review order invoices, and inspect products for damage. As a picker, you'll pull items from the warehouse to prepare them for shipment. Packers will place the items in boxes before they're labeled and sent off by a shipper on a distribution truck. All warehouse colleagues work together to make a difference for our customers. We encourage cross-training and support career development. When you join our team, your hard work and dependability will be rewarded with great pay, benefits, and room for growth. Here, we value integrity, intensity, innovation, and involvement. Your diverse experiences, backgrounds, and perspectives matter, and will go a long way as we work together to support our customers' needs. If you're enthusiastic about making a difference in the world and for our customers, this is the opportunity for you. To start your story with us, visit jobs.thermofisher.com.